Alright, please introduce.
bro,
wait. One straight line muna. One straight line. Kita mo naman. Mga galing pa to sa gym.
They are from the gym.
Nag-gym pa sila para kumain ng bulok.
They have cage and cages.
Alright, so pakilala na natin isa-isa.
Okay, what is your name, Mr. Senor?
Brad Pitt.
Pitt, Senor.
No, your nombre.
My married name is Ariel Agabao.
Okay.
Agabao and Mr. Gotti.
Ferdinand Dimano po.
Ferdinand Dimano po. Oh, wow. What's up? Good luck.
Aris Almendra.
Alright, on my side.
Mark Mendoza.
Mark Mendoza. And what your name is, sunglasses?
Jay Hilario.
Oh, hilarious. You're so hilarious.
Let's have a wild guess kung sino mananalo. Sige, diyan ka.
Alright, sino mananalo? What about this guy?
Tayong dalawa, pustahan. 20-20 lang.
20-20.
Sige. Alam mo kung saan ako tataya?
Yes.
Kung saan ako titigil, doon ako tataya.
Yes.
20.
Alright, where you stop, that's where you're gonna win. Okay.
Oh, teka, hindi pa ako tumitigil. Hindi pa ako tumatigil.
Alright, go ahead. We're running out of minutes.
Then. Sige, 20 talaga to.
Okay.
May utang ko sa US, so hindi nagbabayaran.
Okay, this is what you do.
5 minutes only, okay? 5 minutes, okay? Are you guys ready?
Also, this is a waiver. Who collapsed first? That's your problem.
Exactly. By the way, meron tayong mga Philippine Nurses Association.
All right.
So, if in case.
Okay, you can go down now. Can go down.
Sure, why not? Okay,
right.
so.
Okay, we have a solution. If you get choked, we have a plunger.
Guys, good luck to you.
The doctor is here.
He's a paramedic.
Oh, really?
He's a paramedic.
Yeah, but he's far.
All right. So
I want to close the medic.
Do you have a nice music over there, sir?
Do you have a nice music? Any music? Or
from the tracks that I gave you?
No.
The CD that I gave you. The first one, the one that we used a while ago.
What was CD over there?
They're actually